The last class we discussed about few things, that is what is a computer. A computer is an electronic machine. This we learned last class. Then main features of computers, that is computers works very fast, computer saves our time, a computer does not make any mistakes, a computer can do many jobs at the same time, then a computer never gets tired, a computer stores large amount of information, a computer never forgets. These are some features we learned last class. Adil Rashad, please mute your microphone. Adil Rashad. Adil Rashad, mute your microphone. Okay. Now, what are the things a computer can do? So this also we discussed. Computer can do calculations. Computer can draw and color pictures. Computer can be used for playing games. Then computer can be used for listening to music. Then computer can be used for watching cartoons and movies. Then can be used for typing letters. Then send and receive emails. Search information on the internet. Bijisha, please mute your microphone. Okay, search information on the internet. Then after that we discussed applications of computers in different areas. First we discussed application of computers at home. At home we can use computer to do project works, then to do homework, to play games, to watch cartoon and movies, to listen to music. So this also we learned last class. Then application of computer in a school. So in a school, computer can be used to teach computers to students, to teach with smart board, to make timetables, to prepare test papers, to prepare report cards. So these are the some applications in a school. Then next we discuss in an office. In an office, computer can be used for typing letters, to keep record of employees, then to maintain accounts, to send and receive emails. After that, we discuss the application of computer in a shop. In a shop, computer is used to keep details of items and their prices, to make bills, to keep record of sales. Then we discuss application of computer at airport. At airport, a computer is used to book tickets, to keep records of reservation and cancellation of tickets, to give information about arrival and departure of aeroplanes, to scan the luggage. Then after that we discuss application of computer at railway station. At railway station, a computer is used to book tickets, to keep records of reservation and cancellation of tickets, to give information about arrival and departure of trains. So up to this we discussed in the last class. Okay, next. This also we discussed in the last class, that is application of computer in a bank. In a bank, a computer is used to keep records of customers, to keep records of money transactions, to print account statements, to take out money from ATMs, that is automated teller machines. Up to this we discussed in the last class. Okay, in today's class we are going to discuss few more applications of computer. Then first one, application of computer in an hospital. So in a hospital, a computer is used to keep details of patients and the treatments. So when you visit an hospital, a big hospital, at first time they will ask your name, your age, then whether boy or girl, then your address, your phone number, so many details they will ask. And all these details they will enter in their computer. And they will give a card, that is patient card. That card will be containing a number. So next time onwards, using that card, that means using the number on that card, the hospital can identify you with the help of a computer. In a computer, they will enter that number only, patient number only. When they enter in a computer, that patient number, all your details will be displayed in the computer. So that is one application of computer in hospitals, that is to keep details of patients and their treatments. So next time when you visit the same hospital, they will know for what disease you visited last time, then when you visited, what medicine you received, all details will be in the computer. The next is to scan body parts. So all of you know, our body is a complicated system. If you have pain somewhere on your body, you can check it and you can find out any wound or scratch on your body. But if it is inside your body, for example inside your stomach, heavy pain is there, we cannot see what is inside our stomach. So these hospitals will be using specially designed computers, especially we call it as scanners. One picture I will show you. So here you can see a picture. This is a specially designed computer. We call it as CT scanner or whole body CT scanner. So inside this computer, you will be taken in a tray or a small bed-like equipment. You will be kept inside, and some sensing mechanism will be there inside this computer. It will send some ultrasound signals into your body, and what is inside your body will be displayed in this monitor. Connected monitors will be there. What is inside your body will be displayed in your monitor. So the doctors can see what is inside your body. If any problem is there, they can identify that problem and they can give you some medicine for that. So that is the use of computers. Scanning. That means scanning means to find out what is inside your body. Okay, different types of scanning machines are there. Okay, that is to scan body parts. Then in operation theater for doing surgery. That means if very complicated surgeries, all of you know what is surgery. If any problem is inside your body, doctors will take some scissors and knife and cut open your body and will repair the damage inside your body. That is an operation. It will be done in a operation theater. So if any minute or complicated surgeries are to be conducted, so with normal eyes, it will be difficult for the doctors to do the microsurgeries, small surgeries. So they will use the help of a machine, a computer machine. Now you can see another picture here. Now you can see so many pictures. So all these pictures, doctors are using computer for doing operations. These are different pictures from different hospitals. So in this picture you can see one person is here lying on the bed and doctors are doing surgery on that person. Okay, what is inside that patient's body is visible on the computer monitor. Looking onto the monitor, they can do surgery using micro equipments, very minute, very small scissors, etc. they will be using for microsurgery. So this is an example. Okay, that is operation theater for doing surgery. That is one application. Then to prepare medical reports. After consulting the hospital, after treatment, they will give you a report of your condition, what problems you have or what recovery you have done. All that details will be in that report. It is a printed sheet of paper. So for that also in a hospital computers are used. So these are some applications in an hospital, application of computers in an hospital. Okay, next is in designing. So in this picture you can see some people are designing some cars. The computer is used by an engineer. Engineer is a person who designs and makes car, aeroplane, satellite, robot, many things. So such engineers are there. Different types of engineers are there. They will be using computers for making different things. So that is, computer is used by an engineer to design cars, machineries, aeroplanes, satellites, robots, etc. Here you can see on the screen, you can see a picture of a car. This is not the original car. This is a concept car. This is a model car created with the help of computer. So first they will design several model of cars using computers. After checking the beauty or the quality of that design, company will start to make the original car. So before starting to make the original car, they will design with the help of computer. It will show all the features of car in the design. So for that, computers are used. And you can see this is another case, an architect. That means an engineer who makes buildings. This is a building created with the help of computers. This is a software. You can see the screen. Inside the software, they created a building. So it will contain all the features of a building. So before making it, they will know how that building will be after that work is completed. So that is another case. Okay, so an architect to design building, a fashion designer to design clothes. Clothes also you can design with the help of computers. No need to stitch it first and see how it looks like. Before stitching, we can use the computer and design our dress or clothes. That is another application in designing. The next section is types of computers. So these applications are not limited to all these areas. It can be used in any area to your requirement. Okay, these are only some areas mentioning in your textbook. In today we can use computer in any area. The next is types of computers. So computers come in different shapes and size like desktop, laptop and tablet. So you can see in this picture, one computer is kept on a desk. Such computers we call it as desktop. Then another computer you can see, this is another type of computer. While working this computer, we will be keeping this computer on our lap. Lap means the top part of our legs. This area of our legs, when we are sitting, we will be keeping our laptop on our laps, upper part of your legs while you are sitting. Yes, that area is called lap. So while we are working, we are keeping it on the lap. That is why it is called laptop. The next is tablet computer. Tablet computer is a small computer. Now you need to keep it on desk or on lap. You can keep it in your hand and you can work. Who is Fauzi Ashraf? Please mute your microphone. Fauzi Ashraf. Fauzi Ashraf, please mute your microphone. Okay, these are the different types of computers. So computers come in different shapes and size like a desktop, a laptop and a tablet. All these computers are called personal computers. Short form is PC. PC stands for personal computer. A personal computer is made in such a way that it can be used only by one person at a time. That means these personal computers are designed for single person to use at a time. So different types I already explained. A desktop computer is a personal computer. It is kept on a desk or a table. Then it is the most commonly used computers. So desktop computers are the most commonly used computers. Next one is laptop computer. Laptop computer is a portable personal computer. Portable means you can move from one place to another place. Desktop, it is difficult to move from one place. You have to disconnect all the cables and power cord. But laptop, there is no power cord and cables. You can move to any place. That is why it is called portable. So a laptop is a portable personal computer. It can be carried anywhere and can be kept on your lap. That is why it is called laptop computer. Then tablet. A tablet is a portable personal computer that can fit in your hand. You can see a boy is keeping a tablet in his hand. Tablet means it is a name used for a small block or piece of wood that were used in olden days for writing. That name is adapted for this small device also, tablet. Okay, that is tablet computer. Now here, one more point is that is all-in-one computer is a desktop computer. All in one. That means there is no separate CPU, separate speakers. All will be bundled. All will be assembled. All will be made into a single one. Now you can see it is looking just like a monitor. Here you can see on the picture. This computer is just like looking a monitor. But inside this there is CPU also. Behind the screen CPU is fitted. Then speaker is fitted. Mic is fitted. Everything is in this single unit. Such a type of computer is known as all-in-one computer. So all-in-one computer is a desktop computer. The monitor and CPU are combined into one piece. Monitor and CPU is joined and made into one unit, one piece. The mouse, keyboard and printer are often the only things that need to be attached to all-in-one computer. Only you need to connect mouse and keyboard and you can start working that computer. Okay. So these can often save space compared to full-size computers. When you are using separate CPU, you need more space on your table. Nowadays, people are buying all-in-one computer because it is small in size. You can keep it anywhere. Less space is needed. Then you can use wireless keyboard and wireless mouse. So no need to keep along with this computer. You can work from away also, sitting away on your chair. So such computers are nowadays people are buying. So this is all-in-one computer. Okay, this is the things mentioning in your first chapter. Okay, let us go for the activity. Here is one activity for you. Name the type of computer that is being used in each picture. Word is given. Okay, very good. These words are in jumbled format. You have to use it in the correct order. First one, what is this first one? Spelling is given here. Okay, desktop computer. Okay, that is desktop computer. Then this one, second one. Okay, laptop. Yes. Textbook is available in the school. You contact the office and according to their instruction go there and collect it paying the money. Okay. Okay. Okay, second one is laptop. Okay, laptop computer. That is laptop computer. Then third one, tablet computer. Okay, all of you know that. Tablet computer. Okay. Then one more activity is there. Your next activity is the write true, T for true and F for false. This is your next activity. Write T for true and F for false. So first one, write T for true and F for false. So here first one, computers are used in schools to prepare test papers. Answer is true. Okay, true. Then second one, you cannot use computer to design car. False, you can use it. Then third one, in a hospital, computers are used to scan body parts. Okay, that is true. True. Then fourth one, a computer does not make any mistakes. True or false? True. Okay, very good, very good. The next activity is fill in the blanks by choosing the correct word. A computer is used for designing. Okay, a computer is used for designing buildings. Okay, then a second one, a computer is used in dash to prepare medical reports. Where we are getting medical reports? Hospitals, very good. A computer is used in hospital to prepare medical report. Then third one, a computer is used in dash to make bills. Where shops. Normally, from shop you will be getting bill after the purchase. Then fourth one, a computer is used in dash to make timetables. Schools. All of you got one timetable. Is it made in computer? All of you got one timetable in WhatsApp group. Is it made with computer? Yes or no? Handwritten or typed? Yes. It's a timetable. The next section is fill in. Next section is tick the correct answers. Take the correct answers. So here is the next activity. At home, we use computer to do homework, make bills, prepare test paper. At home, we use computer to do homework. Do homework. Okay, A is the answer. Do homework. Then second one, at hospitals. Doctors use computers to scan body parts, play games, withdraw money. Scan body parts. That is the answer. Scan body parts. Then third one, at airports and railway station, we use computers for playing games, making bills, booking tickets. Booking ticket is the answer. Then fourth one, which of the following computer can fit in your hand? Which of the following computer can fit in your hand? Desktop, laptop, tablet. Okay, tablet computer. So these are the correct options. So you have to fill it in your textbook. Those who didn't got the textbook, you have to buy from the school. Okay. Yes. You buy from the school, contact the office and ask when it will be, when you have to come there to collect it. Okay. So next activity is the identify the place. This you have to do yourself. I am not telling the answer. You have to do the. These are the different places. Then this spelling is in jumbled order. This is not in the correct order. First one is hospital. Second one, you arrange the spelling and you will get that word. If you are not getting, next class I will explain it. Okay. Then answer the following. Answer the following. I will send in your WhatsApp group. From that you can write your notebook. All of you has to buy a 100-page notebook. Okay. In that notebook you have to write that notes. These notes I will send through the WhatsApp group. Okay. Now it is time to stop.